Shipping frozen foods can be easy when you know how to pack perishables properly. Whether you need to ship scallops and steaks for your small business or deliver an ice cream cake for your niece's birthday, these tips will help you keep your frozen items cool until they reach their destination. Start by gathering your supplies. You'll need coolant, an insulated foam container, a watertight plastic liner and/or bag, packing material, absorbent material, and an outer corrugated box. When shipping frozen items, freeze your items and pre-cool the container if possible. Make sure the container has walls at least 1.5 inches thick. If any of your items can melt or thaw, line the inside of the container with a watertight plastic liner. You should also line the container with absorbent materials if any of your items contain liquid. Next, place your items in the container. Make sure to double bag any items that can melt or thaw using watertight plastic bags. Place dry ice on all sides and on top of your items and fill any empty space with packing materials. If you used a liner bag, fold it closed but don't seal it to allow dry ice to vent. Place the lid on the container. Now place your insulated container inside a corrugated box. Use the H-taping method on the top and bottom of the box. Then tape all seams and flaps. Mark your package perishable and place your shipping label on top of the box to increase the chances it will be transported in the preferred orientation. Make sure your shipping label includes the address and 24-hour phone number for both you and your recipient. If you use dry ice for shipping perishables, you must provide correct identification, classification, marking, and labeling on your box to comply with the current requirements in the International Air Transport Association Dangerous Goods regulations. When you create your shipment online or via a FedEx air bill, select dry ice and fill out the appropriate dry ice info. If completing a paper air bill, mark Yes, Shipper's Declaration Not Required in the Special Handling section. Your frozen foods are ready to ship. Now that you know how to pack perishables, you need to consider your shipping options. Make sure you choose a service with a delivery commitment at least 12 hours less than the maximum amount of time you're willing to leave your frozen foods in their packaging. You can drop off dry ice shipments at some staffed FedEx locations. Find a location near you, then select Dangerous Goods Shipping. If you don't drop off your dry ice package at a FedEx location, you must ship your goods via a scheduled pickup from your location. For more on how to pack perishables and shipping options, visit fedex.com/howtoperishables.